Welcome to Session 25. Statistics questions test how well you reason with data. Today we compare measures of center, measures of spread, skew, outliers, and transformation rules. Mean is the arithmetic average, so every value matters. Median is the middle after sorting, so extreme outliers affect it much less. Adding a high outlier can pull the mean far upward. The median usually changes less, because it depends on the order, not the size of every value. Skew direction names the long tail. In right-skewed data, high outliers pull the mean above the median. In left-skewed data, low outliers pull the mean below the median. Range is maximum minus minimum. IQR measures the middle 50%. Standard deviation measures typical distance from the mean. Larger standard deviation means more spread. Adding a constant shifts every value, so spread stays the same. Multiplying by a positive constant stretches the distribution, so center and spread multiply. Your turn. For the dataset 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, find the interquartile range. Pause. Find Q1 and Q3, then subtract. The median is 10. The lower half is 4, 6, 8. So Q1 is 6. The upper half is 12, 14, 16, so Q3 is 14. The IQR is 8. Session 25 recap. Mean is pulled by outliers, median resists outliers, right-skewed data has mean greater than median, IQR equals Q3 minus Q1, and transformations either shift or scale the data.